Hello again. Well, I think it's time we did something. So what I thought I'd do is bring up to date again with one of my projects. This project's been ongoing a while, which is my Iron Man Mark 45 3D print. Now that's been going on, I'm guesstimating around 2,500 hours overall. It's been a long time. So I'm going to show you some parts I've already printed and say a little bit about it. I'm not going to bore you with too much of the details. None of it is finished yet, and none of the finishing is done either. But I'm nearly there. I've got about half a leg left to print and we'll be there, ready to assemble as it were. So I'll do that and we'll move on from there. See you in a bit. So there you go. As far as I've got to this point, it's been a long way, a lot of time. A couple of hours a night, nearly every night of the week. But we're there, nearly there. One leg to go. I'll keep you up to date if anything moves on from there. See you soon. Ooh, forgot to say, there is a little bit more to the print. I've added this on because it was still printing when I actually did the video for the first bit you've just seen. So, this is, as they say, the last leg, or the last part of the last leg, first part of the last leg, one of them bits. So, hope you enjoy it. As and when I get more, I'll add a little bit more to bring you up to date until we've got the finished product. And of course then we'll do the assembly process. Take care out there, see you again soon.